One is taped to the cup, one half. The other half, the cook tears off the keats. The judges go through this, and you can see there's multiple numbers. We went through rounds where they were tasting it and rank ordering it 1 to 10. Then we tally all that up, and then whichever cup has the most points wins. So we're working our way up to number 1. So the person who's holding ticket number that I'm about to announce will be the 10th place awardee of a fine brick of Cherokee marble, handed out by the director of Georgia Mountain Hospice, Ms. Jean. The last 4 digits are 7395. 7395. Whoever holds that number has 10th place in this cook-off. And we have a match, and who are we? We are Lynette Blair from Douglasville, Georgia. All right, that's 10th place. Now 9th place, Chile. Let's go. 9th place, Chile. Last 4 digits are 7366. 2/3 of the mark of the beast. 7366. Whoever has the last 4 digits, 7366. Hello. Oh. And we have a winner. Tell us who you are, where you from.
Jack Cobb, Swanee, Cobb Brothers Chili. Right there.
Then you see this marvelous brick. This is a great doorstop. Or if you can win enough of them, you might be able to put a new front on your house. It'll take a while.
Yeah, you're gonna have some sun.
8th place, Chili. Last 4 digits are 7357. 7357. Oh, we have a winner. Tom Carey of Birmingham, Alabama, part of the Faded Love Chili group. 7th place, Chili. These are all worth 1 point. The top 10. There's 1 point toward being qualified and invited to the International Chili Cook-Off, which actually is 2 weeks from now in Terlingua, Texas. Now, this one, the chili year starts on October 1st, so these points go for next year. All right, last 4 digits for 6th place, 7th place is 7362. All right, we have a winner. We have a match. We have a match. And who are we? BJ Barefoot, Canton, Georgia, representing Barefoot Chili. BJ's Chili. All right, 6th place. Oh, and she said she is qualified. She's done, she's going, it's all over. Yeah. 6th place, Chili. The last 4 digits end in 7358. Uh-oh. We got a Florida one. We gotta have the ticket.
Yeah, we trust you.
And we have a match. And tell us who you are, where you're from. Vinny and Lynn from Ackworth, Georgia. All right, number 5, Chili, still worth 1 point. Last 4 digits are 7363. 7363. All right, we have some virgins for this cook-off. Excellent. As we have a match, and tell us who you are, where you're from. Boars Nesters, cook team from Ball Ground, Georgia. Good job, guys. So now we're down to fourth place. It's the last 1 point position. The last 4 digits are 7354. 7354. We got another one. We got the delivery boy here, I think. Or is it your own this time? Well, he is a delivery boy. 7354, Bill Hessler, Birmingham, Alabama, Faded Love Chili. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Two now for the Faded Love team. Yeah, we're gonna do a show. Third place show. All right. We will. We're gonna get to third and do that. That's a good idea. All right. We're going to start now alternating between show teams. Show team is a big part of the chili cook-off. It's when it all started, showmanship was as much about making chili and having a good time as anything. Over time, it got sort of separated somewhat. You have to cook chili to do showmanship, but to put on a skit and to entertain the public and to get interaction and such is a big part of what this is all about, and having fun together. So we had 5 teams today, as I mentioned earlier, and they're judged on their theme, costume, booth setup, action, audience appeal, audience interaction. So this is great stuff. Very close scores. Today, third place, we're announcing show team 102, Cobb Brothers Chili. Congratulations, guys. All right, now we're gonna do third place chili. Third place chili is worth 2 points towards qualifying, and we're a smaller state, so you only need 6 points to be invited to cook off in the International Chili Cook-Off. So this is the third of the points you need for the whole year. Gina says it's getting heavy with these big ones. We got the big blocks for the top 3. All right, last 4 digits. Third place chili, the second Rocco's Chili Challenge. Numbers 4, last 4 digits are 7355. 7355.
All right, right here.
And we have a match, and we are Linda Whitten from Cumming, Alabama. We got more Alabamians in here creeping in on this Georgia territory. What's going on? All right, second place show. This is where it gets tighter. Second place show is team 105. Boar's Nest. All right. Look at them crews coming up here for the first time, stealing awards all over the place. All right.
Congratulations. Good job, man.
All right, that's worth points towards Terlingo invite too. Show team. That's the one time you don't have to cook to be shown. If you get invited to the show as a show team qualifier, you don't have to cook. And it's a big party. All right. Yeah, there was a lot of ties in the middle, and there was a lot of ties at the top. So actually, we had to go through a double tiebreaker for third, and we had to do single tiebreakers for first and second. So there's no shame in getting second here. It's the luck of the draw when we had to redraw sheets and re-add them up. So don't feel bad. You can say you tied for first. I'll let you get away with it. All right, second place chili. Rocco's Challenge. Last 4 digits. 7353.
Yeah, right
And we do have a match. And you are John Blackwell Kennesaw, Georgia. Way to go. Second place.
Way to go, baby. Way to go.
We're at the top now, folks. Top show team, top chili. The Big Stone, Cherokee Marble. Gina says, hurry up and announce it. First place, showmanship.
The band.
Number 101, Christie's House of Horrors. Congrats. Good job. She took it away running. It was all the other ones that were tied up tight. It's pretty gory too. I think it's the eyes that did it. All right, we are at the pinnacle of chili cooking in North Georgia in October at Rocco's Pub.
Yeah!
Georgia Mountain Hospice Charity Cook-Off, Bike Ride, chili raffle, chili tasting. She's done about everything it can do to try and raise some good money for a good cause, and we appreciate the support. Here is the #1 chili for 19 something. 2013. I don't know, still living. Okay. Last 4 digits are #1 chili worth 4 points. 7361. 7361. Oh, Lordy mercy. That's a Canton boy, I think. And here we have a winner. We have them Barefoot. Canton, Barefoot Chili, Canton, Texas. Canton, Georgia. And that concludes the awards. Thank you for coming out. See you next year.